Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have c to the power of 4 plus 64 equals to 0, and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So this is fourth order equation. It means that this equation has four roots. We need to find all that four roots of this equation. So first we rewrite this equation as so we have this is c to the power of 4. We write it as c square and its whole square plus this is 64, and we write this 64 as 8 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here we need to use the nice algebraic formula here. So here first we just complete the square of this term, and you very well know about that. If we have a plus b whole square, and this is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. So in order to complete the square of this term, you see that we have these two square terms are present here, but this product term are missing. So here we need to add or subtract this product term. Okay, then we easily complete the square of this equation, and we see that the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So here we just add and subtract the term 2 times of ab. So the value of a is c square and the value of b is 8. So we add or subtract this term into the left hand side. So our above equation is written as in this form. This will become c square and its whole square plus 8 square, and we add or subtract this term and it will becomes 2 times of c square into 8 and minus 2 times of c square into 8, and this whole equation equals to 0. And here we need to combine the first three terms. So when we combine all these three terms, we write it as c square plus 8 and its whole square minus this is 2 times 8 becomes here 16 times of c square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we again use here the nice algebraic formula. So according to that we write it as, if you have a square minus b square, this is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here you see that this base is our a and the base of this term is our b. So here first we rewrite the above equation as, so we have this is c square plus 8 whole square minus we write this term as 4 times of c and its whole square, and this is equals to 0. Here we write this 16 as 4 square, and now we are ready to apply this formula. So in order to apply this formula to the above equation, it will be written as c square plus 8 plus 4c into c square plus 8 minus 4c, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write c square plus 4c plus 8 is equals to 0, and the second case is c square minus 4c plus 8 equals to 0. So we have these are the two quadratic equations, and here we use the nice algebraic formula, the nice quadratic formula to find the roots of these two equations. So first we state the quadratic formula as c is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula which we can apply here to the above both equations. And first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are capital A equals to 1, capital B equals to 4, and capital C equals to 8. And we write the coefficients of this equation are A is equals to 1, B equals to minus 4, and C equals to 8. So we just we substitute the values of a, b, and c in this formula. So when you put these values here, it will become c is equals to minus b, the value of b is minus 4 plus minus square root of b square. B is 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 8, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a equals to 1. So we have c is equals to minus 4 plus minus this 4 square becomes 16, and 4 times 8 becomes 32 square root, and it is divided by 2. So here we substitute all these values here and we get c is equals to, this is minus times minus becomes plus 4 and plus minus square root of b square. So b square becomes minus 4 square is 16, and 4 times of a is 1 and c is 8, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So finally we have 4 plus minus, this is square root of 16 minus 32 divided by 2. So here we need more simplifications and we get c is equals to, this is minus 4 plus minus 16 minus 32 becomes minus 16 divided by 2. In the same pattern, from here we have c is equals to 4 plus minus again 16 minus 32 becomes here minus 16, and it is divided by 2. So here we need more simplification to get the values of c. So we get here minus 4 plus minus. We know that square root of 16 becomes 4 and square root of minus 1 becomes iota. And we write these two separately on both of these two values, and we get c is equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 iota. These are the two complex roots, and from here we get c is equals to 4 over 2 plus minus 4 times iota divided by 2, and again we get here 2 plus minus 2 iota. This is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.